I'm Kevin with Atomic Filters, and I'm going to go over the X8788. This is the replacement filter that comes in the X8795 kit from Lennox, and this is for PCO20-28, and PCO is photocatalytic oxidation. So you want to make sure when you're removing the filter, just check the part number here. It's X8788. It goes to the kit for the X8795. Lennox has a number of different kits, so you want to make sure that you get this. A lot of times people who are in high dust environments may replace this filter, which is normally could last a year under normal conditions. They may want to replace it for one reason or another because they're in either construction area or they got a lot of smoke or fires or something like that, and their filter is getting dirtier sooner than normally would. A lot of people in the West do because of the high dust environment. So they'll replace this filter more frequently than they replace the kit. So if you are replacing just the filter, you want to make sure that you double check your filter and make sure it's the X8788, and that is for PCO20-28 is the model number that you're replacing it for. The size on this is 20 by 26 by 5. That is a nominal size, which is a rounded size. The actual size of the filter is 20 inches long, but it's just under 25.5 and just under 4.5 inches wide. So one side of the filter, this is the front side of the filter. It's going to have the pleats, the staves are on the back side of the filter. It also lists the resistance of the air filter at different levels. This is a MERV 16 filter, which is listed on the side. There's not really a replacement for this filter. This is the one to use in your kit. Some HVAC installers who aren't familiar with Lennox may say this is too restrictive because it's MERV 16, but the resistance is listed on here, and it's a very low resistance. It's about the restrictiveness, or the resistance is about how the filter is designed. And just because it's MERV 16 doesn't mean that it has a super high resistance, and the resistance is listed on here. Best to use a Lennox installer who's familiar with Lennox systems, and they know this is the correct filter to replace your filter with, and there's not really another replacement. So this is made to work in a specific Lennox system, and that's what this should be used for. And we have links to the product within this video, so if you need this product, you can order it right on Atomic Filters. Just click the link in the video or in the description below the video. All the sizing and everything else is going to be listed in that, and the kit that it goes with. And we will also list the X8795 kit if you need the full kit with the UV bulbs and the catalytic filter as well. Thanks for tuning in. I'm Kevin with Atomic Filters, and you can find all of these products at Atomic Filters, the 8788 filter and the kit. Thank you.